Welcome to Ameya channel. Today we are doing revision for 2021 board exam, and today we are doing chemical equation and reaction chapter revision, and we will be doing most important chapter questions of this chapter. First question given is, which statement about the reaction below are incorrect? So Saranya is telling first answer. I'll show you options, Saranya. Four options are there. First is A and B, second is A and C, third is A, B, C, and fourth is all. So Saranya, Pavitra, Anila, Bhumi, everyone is telling answer A is correct. Actually, what is the question here is, what they are asking, which of the statement reaction are incorrect? When lead oxide is exactly reacted with carbon, it is giving lead and carbon dioxide gas. So lead is getting reduced, carbon dioxide is getting oxidized, carbon is getting oxidized, and lead oxide is getting reduced. Now, first option, A, how can lead oxide will get reduced? Is it getting reduced? Yes, Kritika. A and B, that is exactly incorrect is there. Okay, they have asked which of the given below is incorrect. And second is carbon dioxide is getting oxidized. No, carbon dioxide is not getting oxidized. So here the correct answer is 1. We have to go very fast today. Okay, lead and are produced and not reactant. They are fine. Iron oxide and aluminium reaction. Okay, Sanya is giving answer D. Pavitra, after seeing the question, you didn't allow me to say answer question also. Kritika, Anila, everyone is telling answer D. Bhumi is telling answer D. Exactly what was the question? Iron oxide when react with aluminium, it gives aluminium oxide and iron. The above reaction is an example of combination reaction. No, it can't be combination reaction. Double displacement reaction. Decomposition reaction. No, it is not getting decomposed. Second is displacement reaction. Yes, it's not double displacement reaction, it's single. So Kirti, Maya, Pranjal, Kritika, everyone is absolutely correct. It's only displacement reaction. Absolutely correct. Well done, children. Now I'll go for next question. This time I'll scroll it less. What happened when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron filling? Tick the correct answer. Hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. Chlorine gas and iron hydroxide. Which one? So I think how much I have to turn the question, for that I have to one time see. Okay. What is the correct one? Okay, Anila, Pranjal, Saranya, Pavitra, Kirtimaya, everyone is telling first is hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. Very good. So we know that when dilute hydrochloric acid react with iron filling, at that time it will be exactly undergoing displacement reaction. Hydrogen will be exactly displaced by chlorine and hydrogen gas will be released. Correct answer. Now second is, what is balanced chemical equation? Correct, Saranya, you have given the correct equation, beta. What is balanced chemical equation? Why should chemical equation be balanced? This is not 1 mark question. This is exactly 2 mark question or 3 mark question. So be very careful and answer the question. So in chat box, you write short and tell me, what is a balanced chemical equation? In simple, in shortcut, you just know, write and tell me. What is balanced chemical equation? Take your time, type and said, why should chemical equation be balanced? Let's see who is going to give the answer first. Okay, law of conservation of mass, the number of atoms of each element in reactant side should be equal to the number of each element, number of atoms of each element in the product side. Very good, Saranya. So it is exactly called as a balanced equation, A balanced equation, or Bhumi, a balanced chemical equation has equal number of atoms of different element in reactant and product. Chemical equation should be balanced to satisfy the law of conservation of mass. Bang on, Bhumi. Super. Saranya, very good. And now Kirti Maya is telling the equation in which the number of atoms of all the molecule is equal on both the side of equation is known as balanced chemical equation. Very good. After that, but why equation must be balanced? Why equation must be balanced? So all three of you, Saranya in shortcut she has explained, Bhumi also, and Kirti Maya also. The three of them has explained in their own way. It's good because I don't want you to mug and vomit in the paper. What about others? Okay, now Pavitra is telling the number of atoms of various element on both sides will be equal. The equation should be balanced according to law of conservation of mass, which states that mass that can neither be created nor destroyed. Very good. But I think now one time we should see, because I have read 4 different answers given by 4 different people. Now let's see what they have given the answer. But according to what you have written, definitely it's a good answer, correct answer. Chemical equation, when number of atoms of reactant and number of atoms of product will be exactly equal and mass will also be equal, it is called as a balancing chemical equation. Second is law, we have to follow law of conservation of mass. Since we have to follow law of conservation of mass, that's why we have to balance the equation. Very good. See now what they have written quickly. I'm reading. Balanced chemical equation means total number of atoms of each element should be equal on both the side. Correct. This is what we have done. Second, for example, magnesium and oxygen, they have given one example and tried to explain. The reaction should be balanced because matter can neither be created, that is law of conservation of mass only. Fantabulous work, all 4 of you. Super. I want others also to write. Please write, because they have written in a very good form. Saranya, well done. Bhumi, well done. Pavitra, Kirti Maya, well done, beta. What a start. Very good. So let's go for next question. This question, one by one you do. Translate the following statement into chemical equation and then balance them. Hydrogen gas combined with nitrogen gas to form ammonia. Let's see how you can type it. Hydrogen gas combined with nitrogen gas to give ammonia. Very simple equation. Should I do? Hydrogen gas, that is, I'm writing balanced one, hydrogen gas, okay. That is, who has given the answer? Pavitra, H2 plus N2, 2 NH3, Bhumi, H2, 3H2 plus N2 gas, 2 NH3 gas. So all three, Saranya, Bhumi, you have given gas, gas, gas. That is correct one. Very good. So exactly, Bhumi is absolutely correct. Pavitra is correct. Saranya, very good, beta. Saranya is also correct. So hydrogen gas, when it will be reacting to nitrogen gas, it will exactly give NH3 gas. Now we have to balance it. So it will become 2NH3 gas. Well done, 3 of you. What a tough fight. Pranjal, where are the rest of the children? Kritika is correct. Very good, Kritika. Saranya is correct. Bhumi is correct. Kritika is correct. Okay, Adit is back. Today we will have a marathon session till we will be able to finish the part. We will be doing it. Exams are very near. How much questions we will be able to handle, that much it will be good for us. Okay. Next one. Dinesh, I have taken in beta. Dinesh, are you there? Please kindly say. Thank you, Vishal. Okay, taken beta. Now, second one. Hydrogen sulfide gas burn in air to give water and sulfur dioxide. Quickly, hydrogen sulfide H2S, when it will be reacting with oxygen, it will give water and sulfur dioxide, SO2. I told the equation itself. Very good. Wow, Pranjal, you are also correct. H2S plus sorry, hydrogen sulfide H2S gas plus 3O2 gas SO2 plus 2H2O. Is it balanced, beta? Okay, hydrogen amount do 2 2. Very good, sulfur. So exactly, answer is absolutely correct. Now I'm writing the correct answer. So hydrogen gas, H2S gas, when it will be reacting with question oxygen, it will be giving water molecule plus sulfur dioxide gas. Okay, now we have to balance. Hydrogen here is 2, hydrogen there is 2. So we have to balance here, to put here 2. Now it will become 2. Oxygen is 6 here, oxygen is 6. Now it is balanced. Sulfur here is 2. So here 2S will be there, SO2. Who has given that answer? I have to check. It is sulfur dioxide, beta. Here 2 will be there, sulfur dioxide. It is not 2S, it will be SO2. Kritika, balance it, beta. Here SO2 will be there. Bhumi is correct. Saranya, yeah. Pavitra, correct. So beta, I have written the correct equation also. Now Kritika, it is correct, beta. No problem, beta. Sometimes in speed it happens. I too make mistake. We are human. We can do mistake. Human are known for making mistake. If we will not do mistake, who will do? No problem. Okay, ready? Ready for the next one? Very famous equation. Barium chloride react with ammonium sulfate to give aluminium chloride, aluminium chloride and a precipitate of barium sulfate. And you know what color PPT is formed here? Very famous PPT color formation. White PPT formation is there. I'm telling it is giving white PPT, that is barium sulfate is white. And this one you example you can take it for your exam. So if they will say write an equation where white PPT formation is there, then you can take this example. Carry on, start. Here answer is not moving. Okay, I think you have not typed anything. No, no typing is there. No answer. What happened? Or that got hanged. Very good. Kirtima is giving BaCl2, Al2, SO4, 3, 3BaSO4 plus. Very good. Kirtimaya, Anila, they have given the same answer. Bhumi, Pavitra, I think some network problem or something. Kirtimaya, Anila, Pavitra, everyone gave at once itself. So now I am writing, that is BaCl2, that is barium chloride. Okay, correct. Saranya also correct. So one time itself, I'll show you the answer. Do the next one. Writing will take time. Next is potassium metal react with water to give potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Very good one. Very good one and very easy one. You can write the equation. Potassium metal react with water. Potassium metal react with water. So you know what is the, I don't know, symbol of potassium? Water. And then it is giving potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is liberated. Easiest one. Very good, Bhumi, Kirti Maya, Kritika. What a competition. Super. Saranya, bang on, back to back. I wish Arvind and all should give answer also. They are thinking, hey, let the girls fight. It's girls fight, cat fight. Why I am going to be there? It's not needed. Very nice. Very good, boys. Anila, very good. So let's see the answer. So back to back, that 4 answer I'm showing you, correct? So all of you, those who have written this, I think everyone was correct. That's why I didn't wrote the answer. Boys, please kindly check barium chloride and aluminium sulfite when reacted, BaCl2 aqueous state, Al2SO4 3 aqueous state, and then BaSO4 AlCl3, that is coming solid and aqueous state. This is exactly barium sulfate is that white PPT. This barium sulfate is that white PPT form. Okay, and aluminium chloride will be obtained. Now, next one is potassium. I told now potassium metal is reacting with water, liquid, then potassium hydroxide aqueous state and hydrogen gas will be released. So I think girls, fantabulous work, well done. Boys, very good. Let them win. Let's go for next one. Easy one. Balance it. Start balancing it fast. Boys, you can do it here. You can balance it. You can do this one. Hydrogen is not balanced here. Nitrogen, no. Calcium, 1, 1. Oxygen, 2, 3, 5. Here, oxygen is 6 in numbers. Oxygen need balancing. Hydrogen need balancing. Nitrogen need balancing. Okay. No. Very good, very good. Saranya, 2 HNO3 plus CaOH whole twice. Correct. Kirti Maya, Saranya. Super. Very good. Very good. Correct balancing. Very good. First one, all 4 of you are correct. Super. All 4 of you have done it correctly. So here if we will put 2, here if we will put 2, then 2 here. So 4 hydrogen got, nitrogen is 2, here nitrogen is also 2. Oxygen is 6 plus 2, 8. Here oxygen is 8 balanced. Very good. Okay, you started second one. Anila, Kritika, Bhumi, Pavitra, Kirti, Maya, Saranya. What a speed. All of you are correct. Super. Boys, please kindly check one time. Rohit, where are you? Arvind, Adit, Pranjal, Vishal, Danish. S. Priyadarshini, Kirtika, everyone. So, beta, hydrogen number is coming 4. Here hydrogen is 2. Here hydrogen is 2. Here hydrogen 2 to 4. Okay. I got second one answer also by Saranya. Bhumi. Pavitra, Kirtimaya, Kritika, Anila, so what do you have to do? Nothing. Here also put 2 here and here also put 2. That's it, balanced. 2 nitrogen, 2 sodium here. Oxygen 2 plus 2 plus 4, 6. Here oxygen 2 plus 4, 6. Here sulfur is 1. Sulfur is 1, balanced. Go for the next one. Let me check boys are there or not. Okay, third one is self-balanced. Kritika, Anila, Bhumi, Kirti Maya, everyone is telling third one is self-balanced. Correct only. Sodium balanced, chlorine 1 balanced. Pavitra already balanced. Okay. Silver. Okay, correct. Third one is already balanced. Let's go for the next one. Fourth one. Correct only, Sharanya. You only said first. I don't think here you need more effort. Last one, D answer. Correct, Kritika. Bhumi, correct. Kirti Maya, correct. Correct, Kirti Maya. Very good. Smartest move. Super. Saranya, correct. Anila, correct. Pavitra, correct. Beta, here, barium 1. Here only hydrogen 2 because hydrogen 2, oxygen 4. Oxygen 4, here chlorine is 2, hydrogen is 2. Put here 2 balance. Okay. Question number 7. Go for it. One by one you submit, beta. Correct. Super, Pranjal. Very good. I think due to network problem, your answer is coming late, beta. No problem. At least you have answered half part. You have to be good, beta. So whatever doubts you are having now only, let's see how to solve these questions, beta. These type of question will only come in exam. What type of question will come? See, in the question paper, it is already written 2012 question, 2014 question. These questions already came in board. Oh, I have to switch on because Their space is less, so I'm unable to see them fast. Okay, 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 okay. Anila, Pavitra, Bhumi, Saranya, 4 of them have solved. Kritika has solved and submitted. Okay, let's see they are balanced or not. Correct only. Very good. So let's see the first answer. Yes, the answer is calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice. It is exactly in aqueous state reacting with carbon dioxide. It gives calcium carbonate and water molecule. So very good. All of you are correct. And already you have balanced and submitted. Very good one. Now go for the next one, beta. Boys, this PDF will be available to you once the class will be over so that you can practice it. This is for increasing speed and knowing what mistakes, how much still you have to learn. Okay, Saranya gave the answer. Pavitra gave the answer. Bhumi, where is Arvind today? Rohit, Arvind. What is happening? I can't understand. Kirti Maya, very good. Kritika, very good. S. Priyadarshini, are you there, beta? Network issue or some problem? Super. Fabulous work. Very good, very good. Today, girls have rocked it. Need not to mention. Let's see the next one. Beta, submit. You also type, beta. If you are unable to type, just type the answer only. Okay? Okay, S. Pradarshani is there only. Very good, beta. Now look here. Zinc plus silver nitrate. It will be exactly giving ZnO3 twice plus Ag. That is already we know zinc, silver nitrate, then zinc nitrate and silver. It's just a simple, very good pranjal. Now pranjal started. Beta, capital or small, I can understand this. So Priyadarshini, pranjal, beta, type. Okay. So both of you are correct exactly. Oh, Kritika started next one. Fine. So zinc and silver nitrate, AgNO3, then only two you have to balance it. Because 2 atoms of silver here, 2 atoms of silver. Okay, Kritika, Pavitra, both of them has submitted the next answer also. Aluminium, copper chloride, CuCl2, AlCl3, aluminium chloride and copper. Correct, but is it balanced? Pavitra, check one time. Is it balanced? I doubt. Check once. Okay, Kirtima is correct. Saranya, fine. Kirti Maya, Saranya, Bhumi, Pavitra. Fine. Now it is coming correct. Let's show you. I'm going to show you the answer. Let's see the answer. 2Al solid state, CuCl2, copper chloride is there. And then 2AlCl3 and 3Cu. Yeah, typing error, Aranya. That's Saranya. That's why I was waiting. That when you will say anti mistake is there. Rest of that everybody did correct. Anila and all are correct. Okay, Kritika, Anila, Bhumi, and Pranjal, they have given. Pranjal also correct. Pranjal, only Al will be 2 beta, 2 atoms of Al. 3 CuCl2. Balance it, beta. You have not balanced it properly. Just balance this one. Last one, barium chloride plus potassium sulfate. It will give barium sulfate plus potassium chloride. See these states, aqueous state, and it's balanced. Okay, equation you have written correct, only you need balancing. Fine. So last one answer, I've already showed it to you. Let's go to next question. Write the balanced chemical equation for the following and identify the type of reaction in each case. Okay, go for this question. It is word equation given. You have to convert it into chemical equation. Let's see who will answer first. Just change KL into 2KL. Kirtimaya, she's telling only 2KL is needed here. Fine. Potassium bromide, barium iodide, potassium iodide, barium bromide. Okay, also 2 kBr. That is what beta. Both need to be changed. One will not be. Okay, Bhumi gave the answer 2 kBr plus B. That is 2 atoms of potassium bromide. Then barium iodide will be as it is. Then potassium iodide plus 2 atoms of potassium iodide plus barium bromide. Correct. BaBr2. So now look here. I'll show you the solution here. First one, it's correct only. Okay, Anila has also sent. Kirtimaya, Anila both has given the answer. Now Pavitra gave the answer. What type of reaction, beta? Because they have asked also said say the type of reaction. Pavitra is telling it is a case of double displacement reaction. Let's see. Potassium and barium is here. Sorry. Okay. Potassium bromide is here. So KBr is there. Here barium iodide is there. So K is going with I and Br is going with Ba. That is barium bromide, potassium iodide. So definitely it's a case of double displacement reaction. Awesome work. Children, you have rocked today. Super. Very good. Let's see the complete answer. Double displacement reaction is the correct answer. Well done. Well done, all of you. Very good. Very, very, very good. Now go for the next one. Zinc carbonate. It is giving zinc oxide and carbon dioxide. Easy one. You can balance it nicely. Okay, Saranya, ZnCO3, ZNO plus CO2 decomposition reaction. Bang on. Super. What a speed. Saranya, Bhumi. Okay. Bhumi gave the answer also, decomposition. At time beta, you have to say both. That is zinc carbonate, ZnCO2, zinc carbonate, ZnCO2, sorry, ZnCO3. When it will be it will be getting decomposition. It will form zinc oxide and carbon dioxide gas will be released. So Kritika correct, Pavitra correct. It is type of decomposition reaction. Very good. Is it balanced? Yes, it is balanced also. Go for the third one, hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. It is giving hydrogen chloride. Very, very easy. H2 plus Cl2. Bhumi is giving answer. Kritika gave the answer. Saranya gave the answer. It's a type of combination reaction. Correct. Pavitra gave the answer. H2Cl2. It is giving 2HCl. Correct. Combination reaction. Correct only. Kirtimaya, very good. Correct answer. So let's see. Yes, it's a correct combination reaction. H2 gas and Cl2 gas. It is undergoing reaction. It is giving 2HCl and it's a type of combination reaction. Now last one, magnesium. Magnesium chloride. Magnesium is reacting with hydrochloric acid. It is giving magnesium chloride and hydrogen. Easy one.